How's it going, you guys? It's Scott with the Everyday Home Repairs Help channel, and today I want to quickly run you through how to cut MC cable with a simple hacksaw. So let's jump into it. We'll go ahead and take off over 6 inches of the metal clad. I'm just going to make a mark right here. Now with the hacksaw, what we're doing is we're just trying to cut through one full coil or one full strip on this metal clad. You're going to get a little damage on the bottom one, maybe a little bit of damage, but don't forget the top one we're taking off, so that doesn't matter. We'll just try to minimize the amount, but there'll be a little damage on the metal clad that's left behind. You'll start off whether you have a small hacksaw or just a large one, and I'm going to go ahead and angle that a bit and pull in the reverse direction just to start my cut. I want to try to get that cut started so it doesn't keep slipping off that mark. Now you can hear I'm already getting through that ridge here of the metal clad. So we can go ahead and take a hold of that and then just go ahead and rotate, and you'll see you'll start to break it open at that cut line. Then it snaps open and we can just take off that portion of metal clad that we want to remove. And then I'm just going to push down with my cut resistant gloves, kind of pushing the metal clad back into place. Now similar to last time, we'll keep the plastic on, and then you'd want to work your bushing over that plastic and down to protect your conductors. But that's all there is to cutting the MC with a hacksaw. Just make sure you don't cut through, and you'll know you didn't cut through if you still have your paper or plastic intact without any damage. As always, all the parts and tools will be in a link below the video in the description. If you want to see 2 other methods of cutting metal clad cable, check out this video right here. I'll run you through those other options. If you need a little help on the proper connectors you should be using to bring metal clad cable into metal junction boxes, check out this video right here. So thanks for joining us on this video, and we'll catch you on one of those next ones. Take care.